Well, we had some crazy wind yesterday. Still quite a bit of wind, but yesterday was pretty severe. Caused a little domino effect over here. There's actually 4 trees down. One came down, brought 3 more with it. Root balls out of the ground, so you can tell how wet the ground was from all the rain we've been having. Brought it down on the corner of this fence and gate. They're a little rough, probably need a little T&L there. Didn't hit anything this way. This side came right down on the hood of the Jeep. It wasn't exactly a show car anyway, but now it has an even bigger dent in the hood than it ever had before. Probably buy a new hood. Been planning to buy a new hood and paint it anyway, so that worked out well. And then the very farthest reach came over here and broke the headlight out of the tractor, the MF35. Luckily it didn't hit any sheet metal, so pretty fortunate there. Just glass on the ground. A couple of my usual implements here with the Milwaukee and Husqvarna chainsaws. Get this chopped up, get it out of the way, and then see about fixing that fence. Well, my Husqvarnas are usually very reliable, but this 450 doesn't want to run at high speed today, even when it's warmed up. But I do have the Big Daddy, the Stihl 500i, so that's what's going to get some use today. Best chainsaw in the world. Well, this Jeep hood wasn't exactly factory fresh. Was just trying to decide whether to pound out the dents or replace it. And I think God decided for me that I'm going to replace this hood. No further damage on this side of the Jeep. Got it pulled out of there. Got a little bend in my ham radio antenna. Maybe affect my radiation pattern a little bit, but that's okay. That dent's a little rough. We'll take care of that. Nothing else wrong over here. Here shows a good reason why I like the Addi-Grapple so much. Able to pull up, grip that tree, lift it up off the fence. Now I can just cut it on each side with the chainsaw without too much damage to this beautiful fence corner and gate. Well, that's enough for now. I'm gonna take a break. Maybe for a couple days because it's below freezing now. Still have a bunch of junk to get to the fire pile. Hand carried a lot of it. The ground's too soft. If I run the tractor over, it'll make a mess. So that can just sit there till the ground solidifies. Tractor's good. Have to make a purchase here of a new light. I'll put a nice bright LED on there. Modernize things for the 1964 Massey Ferguson 35 that is a star of most of my videos. Got my nice big bright light over there, but this corner of the fence isn't so hot. I put a strap on there, tighten it up, make it dog proof. Neighbor has a dog that I don't want on my side. There's some more cleanup over there. Again, wait till the ground is solid and either a tractor or a skid steer make fast work of that. That's right where I'm planning to build a garage. So uh, 4 of these trees cleared themselves for me. So that's it for today. Cold day in March, 29 degrees right now and getting colder.